Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Omoro Dion Irore, the CEO of Omjascon Farm Nigeria Limited. This is our goat section. So to feed your goats without paying money to feed them, you can use grass. One of the grass you need to have in your farm if you are doing free range is the bamboo tree. Bamboo. You can see them eating the leaf. We just cut some down for them to be eating the leaf. This is bamboo. This one. This is the second one. This is bitter leaf. You also need to have bitter leaf inside your farm. This is the third one. This is palm tree. Palm tree. You also need to have palm tree inside your farm. Then the fourth one. This is plantain. You also need to have some plantain in your farm that they will be eating. You can see them. This is palm tree. Some palm tree leaves that they are eating. That is their house. And this is the second one inside their house. Okay, so these are the sheep. Okay, this just goat farm. These are the goats. You can see they are eating the bamboo leaf. They love to eat the bamboo leaf. Okay, this is a free range. These are the goats. You can see they are eating the bamboo leaf. See them? They enjoy it. Yeah, you need to have this grass, also this elephant grass. You need to have elephant grass. Okay, you need to have all these grasses, some plants in your farm that goes to be feeding on. Also, this leaf also. You need to have this leaf enough of it in your farm when goats give birth. Even without birth, goats love this grass. They love this tree. You need to plant this one in your farm. This one is also a medicine to them when they feed on it. When your goat give birth newly, try to pluck this tree, this leaf from there for them to eat. They love it. Okay, it's one of the house where they stay. The plantain they will be feeding on also. This is the free range. All this is the goat house. You can see these are the sheep. The goats are over there. Okay. Yes, this is the house where they stay. This is where they stay. Some of them will stay here. This is where they will rest if they want to rest. Okay. Yes. That's the second one over there. These are the sheep here. Okay, we also have some mango. You see mango? That is mango over there. They eat the leaf also. All this grass also. This very one, goat love it also. This one also. Or this one, goat love them. Then another thing is moringa. You plant moringa in your goat farm also. With all these grasses, you will be spending less on feed for goats. You can see them. Yes, so these are the goats.